Hey, welcome to Gloria's House of Fashion. And okay, so I got my box, a Vince Camuto box. All of these items are thrifted, are secondhand, pre-loved, however you want to call them. Okay. Um, I want to state that a lot of these pieces, they came in almost perfect conditions. And it's like really good condition. I believe I have only one that had a little stain on the back. I don't know if that stain is going to come out or not, but I'm just going to keep it aside. I'm not going to list it. If the stain does get removed, then I might list it. If not, I'm just going to either throw it away or I'll see what happens. Like I said, almost all of these are in really, really good condition. I'm going to tell you about one that I have that is, I'm going to start with these because these are amazing. I had another one and I had to keep it, even though it had like a little stain on the pocket. But to me, it was like, you know what? I don't care about the stain, and it's missing the fur and it's missing the belt. But to me, it's like, you know what? It's almost in perfect condition. I want it. I'll keep it. It's warm. I need it. This is how the jackets are coming in. These are long jackets. This one has its belt. It's not missing anything. It's like in good condition. It's in great condition, I should say. And then it has this sweater type of thing on the hoodie. And it's warm. It's warm. And then I got this one. Again, I would say for this one that it's in perfect condition, except it has two tears. But it has them on the inside. It has them on the sleeve. So if you want this, it's going to be a really good buy, because if you get somebody to just sew this in, that's all you need to do. And it's on the inside, so nobody's going to see it. But the outside is perfect. It's in perfect condition. I mean, it seems like they bought it and they never wore it, or they were trying it on, it just ripped and they just left it there. I don't know, but it's in perfect condition. It has its fur. The fur is removable. Just in case you don't like it, you could take it off. Okay, so yeah, with the jackets, I saw that other jacket I kept. They're nice. They're nice. They're in really good condition. Okay, now I got sweaters. I got these kinds of sweaters. I like this one. It's all of them came in almost perfect condition. This one, it could be like for a cover up for your swimsuit. This one, even though it says a small, it runs kind of big. But again, it's in really nice condition. Then I have this pink one. And then I have this striped one. This was an extra small, but I would say if it's a small. And then I have two of this one. It's a small and extra small. And I kept one of these. It was a darker blue, and it was a small, and it fit. And I am not a small. I'm more of a medium large, and it fits. So that's why I'm saying that the smalls, they don't run that small. And then I got, where you go? Okay. I got some dresses. I got this one. Really nice, good condition. This one this one's a size 14. I believe this one you could use it like for if you work in an office or something like that. This one, a sequins, really cute dress. I believe this is a size 6, and it stretches, really nice. This one, it's a jumper, and I think that the pants are more of a pedal pusher, because it seems like the pants are short. And then I got this one. It's a size 6 and it stretches and it looks cute. I tried it on. Not my style, but it looks cute. It looks really, really nice. And then this one, halter, velvet. I love these. I don't know why, but even though it's velvet, and yes, I know I'm going to have people on me that velvet is so passe. And that, I'm sorry, but if I like something, I'm going to wear it, even though the style or the fabric, it's like from 1960, 1970, 19, wherever, I'm going to wear it. And this is one of those that if I don't want to keep any more stuff. Like I said, I already kept some stuff. Otherwise, I would keep this one. See, and it stretches. It's really nice. This is a size 8. It fits me, but like the only thing I could do is that if it doesn't sell, wink, wink, I'm keeping it. But I know it's going to sell really fast. Okay, so now let me show you a little bit. I got these 2 pieces here that you could use as blazers, and this one as a bolero. Really cute. And then I got this cutesy for all the sexy dames out there. It even has the bra pads on them, the zipper on the back, and the cutouts. These are cute. This one's cute. And then I have this t-shirt type with a cutout in the back. I love this one. Even though I'm not much of a pink person or lavender person, but this one will look divine with some white denim shorts and some wedges. This one's cute. And like I said, I'm not that much of that color. But like I said, if it doesn't sell, yeah, it's going to end up in my closet. There's also this cute one here. You can use that for work as well. This one's an extra large. This one's nice as well. All of these you could use for work, actually. This one's so small, even though it doesn't look that small, with a lot of ruffles. This cute baby blue one. This one's nice. Sleeveless. These are cute. Let me show you. I got a lot of black. Got this other black one. Glittery fabric, 2X. This one's nice. This one's a cutesy one too. This is a small, but it's kind of wide. It's not that small. And then I got this one. This one's so nice. This one's cute, and it has the tags. It has transparent sleeves, and this one's so small. I tried it on, and it fits me, and I am not a small, but it's really nice. I like how it goes in here, like crisscross. That one's so elegant. And then this one also came with the tags, kind of like a pirate shirt. Really nice. You can pair it off with jeans and some boots, and it looks cute. I love this color. Bright blue, sleeveless, transparent top. I still need to go through them just to make sure they don't have any, rips or, stuff like that. But up until now, everything's okay. I like this one as well. See, it has the ruffles and the V-neck and sleeveless. It looks cute. And then I have this, this one also, it's a cutesy one. See how it has that in the front and the neck, sleeveless. This one doesn't have a size, but I'm assuming that this is kind of like a medium because it's kind of wide. And then I have this, the bottoms. I have this skirt, so you could use for work. It has a slit in the front. And then I have this velvet jogger. I like velvet. It's really cute. Then I have these dress pants, gray. These go all the way to, they're not long. They go to your ankle. Then I have these that they're more like leggings. These are in size medium. They look like dress pants though. And then I have this mini skirt in corduroy with the zipper in the front. And it has pockets as well. These are really cute. Okay, so that is what came in. Like I said, I'm still going to go through them. I went through them like really, really fast, but I'm going to see if maybe today I'm going to have that of going through them really neatly to see if they don't have any rips, tears, stains and stuff like that. And as soon as I have everything set in, I'm going to start listing them on Poshmark. So if you guys want anything from there, go to my Poshmark. I'm going to have the link below so you guys could download the Poshmark app with my link so you guys can start your shopping with $10 free from Poshmark. And also I'm going to see if I could get the link to the place where I bought all this stuff, just in case you guys are looking to source for your Poshmark, for your business, reselling business, eBay, whatever it is that you're doing. You could check out this this application, this website, I should say, and see what type of clothes that you might, want to get for your business. Like I said, this is the first box I got, and it turns out pretty good. They're good. So anyways, thank you so much for dropping by and looking at what I just got. And later on, I will have this on Poshmark so you guys could start your shopping.